In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping in Shopify with Shippo. We'll connect your store to Shippo, set up your shipping origins using Shopify locations, and optionally have tracking and fulfillment updates flow back to Shopify automatically, so your day-to-day shipping is smooth and reliable. Start by installing the Shippo app from the Shopify App Store. Look for Shippo, Simplified Shipping. Once it's installed, open Shippo. In the Shippo dashboard, go to Settings, then Stores, and choose to connect a Shopify store. Enter your Shopify store URL, click Continue or Connect, and approve the connection. Shippo will link to your Shopify account and begin importing your orders. Your Shopify orders will automatically appear in Shippo, typically syncing about once an hour. If you need to see new orders immediately, use the manual sync option in Shippo after a short wait. This is especially helpful right after you first connect or any time you've made changes that affect shipping. Next, configure your shipping origin or locations. If you ship from more than one place, add each origin in Shopify under Locations. Shippo automatically imports your active Shopify locations and treats them as possible sender addresses. If you update any location's address in Shopify, give it a few minutes and then resync in Shippo so the new address is pulled in. This ensures that when you create shipping labels, the sender address you select in Shippo exactly matches a location defined in Shopify, which helps avoid fulfillment errors. You can also enable automatic fulfillment and tracking sync. In Shippo, under Settings and then Stores, turn on the options to send tracking numbers back to Shopify, automatically mark the order as fulfilled, and notify the customer. You can choose whether those notifications are sent by Shopify or by Shippo, depending on your preference. For automatic fulfillment to work consistently, there are 3 important checks. First, make sure every item in the order is set to manual fulfillment in Shopify, not a third-party or automatic method. Second, choose a sender address in Shippo that matches one of the imported Shopify locations. Third, confirm that the inventory for those items is assigned to that same location. Keeping these aligned prevents partial or failed fulfillments. Day to day, you'll purchase labels directly in Shippo for the imported orders, print them, and hand off the packages as usual. After you buy a label, give it a moment and then check the Shopify order to confirm the tracking number and fulfillment status updated correctly. With that, your Shopify and Shippo setup is complete and ready for efficient, dependable shipping.